Hello everyone, good morning. This is Ashok. Welcome to my channel. This is part 4 of the Daringbadi series. To watch the other parts, you can click on the links in the description. It is 5:25 now and we just woke up to see the sunrise here at Daringbadi, just in front of our rooms. This is east and this is where the sun might rise. You can see the horizon there, right on top of the eastern ghats. And this is Daringbadi. Town is sleeping currently and sun is going to rise from here. As we wait for the sun to rise, we can see that right on the opposite side, the moon is still on top. It was a full moon night yesterday. This is where the sun will rise. The sun is just rising, we can see small streaks of pink there. According to the weather app, we just checked, the sunrise is scheduled for 5:41. It's 5:41 now. These are our cottages. This is where we are staying. More families have come in these cottages. Have to say the scene is really beautiful. The mountain ranges look like layers on top of each other. It is 5:47 now. We can see just that the sun is not coming up, but the light has started. The sunrise is already done for the clouds there because they are all illuminated by the sun's light. Sun has to come from that side. That is east. Finally, the sunrise is happening. There we can see a small point. The sun has risen just. This is what we have been waiting for all this while. So the sunrise is done finally. This is what we have been waiting for all this while from the last half an hour. Done. Look how beautiful the sunrise is. Just the small disk of the sun just came over the hills, the rolling hilltops on there, just on top of the horizon. The most beautiful sunrise I've ever seen in my life. And at Daringbadi. Of all places. These are called tribal cottages, and these are just slightly smaller than our main cottages which we are staying in. These are 6 in number, 6 tribal cottages. These are just slightly smaller, almost the same. If you want to save 500 rupees around, you can stay in these. Today all of them are empty. Only 2-3 cottages are filled and all these cottages are empty. I don't think there is much demand in the month of April here in Daringbadi. So that's why we are able to see vacant cottages. Even this is beautiful. You are getting a small veranda sort of here, just in front of the room. We can get chairs and sit here. And flowering plants have been planted here, and the landscaping has been done very beautifully well. There is one interesting thing also. Just showing you. We see this one. This is a fireplace which hotel authorities will light it for us. They'll get some wood, firewood, and then they will fire here, and people can sit around and enjoy, spend some time, grill, and all that sort of stuff. So with some extra charge, they will light this fire up. There is also a geyser for every cottage on top, a solar water heater, so you can get 24 hours hot water. There are also geysers installed inside also, electric geysers, but sometimes if there is a power cut, you can also have hot water from this. Essentially, this nature camp at Daringbadi has been inaugurated in two phases. First phase was on 31st October 2017. That was the phase 1, and at that time only these tribal cottages were inaugurated. They were constructed and then started for the public use. Later, after 2 years, in 2019, the next phase was launched. Bigger cottages where we are staying at. There is also a nice little cycle stand here, I think for the guests' use. And these are the main cottages where we are staying, inaugurated in 2019. So definitely, if you come to Daringbadi, you should stay in these eco tour resorts, because in my experience this is the best. I have come here once in to Daringbadi. We had stayed in a private place, private hotel, which was a smaller one, but the government resort, eco resort, and these cottages, this is a really good option. In 5,500 including taxes, you're getting lunch, dinner and breakfast. So you check in at 12 o'clock at the afternoon and you get lunch immediately, and it's included in the hotel rent. Then even dinner is included. Also the breakfast is included the next day. You can have breakfast, then you can check out at 10, 11 around. So if we go straight like this, we are going towards Lovers Point. It is around 18 kilometers from our place where we were staying. So the road has been constructed really well, that we can say. This is NH59, and this particular road connects Daringbadi to Fulbani. This NH59 is it has been expanded recently, I guess, a double lane road, and it looks beautiful with extremely low traffic. You will never guess that. You will always feel that there should be lots of traffic. That's why they have expanded this well. But it's an untouched place, and it's Odisha's best kept secret, if I can say. We have reached the Lovers Point. We can see there the board. We have to go towards the right. We have reached Lovers Point. This is Lovers Point. I don't know why it is named Lovers Point, but this is Lovers Point. There is a small rivulet which is going here, and there is a good water current, and it looks like a small waterfall there and there. I think this is still under development. They are still building some bridges here, and we parked a car there, and then there is some development still going on. It's not completed yet. I think they are going to develop this well. The approach road was very good, a double lane road, and I think the National Highways Authority has outdone itself. A really good road they have built. This is the Lovers Point, and people have already written something here. Some YouTuber has come. Indian real nature. And they have asked us to subscribe to their channel there. People are struggling to climb up. Come on, come on, come on. So this is the lovers point from top, an aerial view of it. The government is still constructing here. Probably they'll create a viewing platform for the tourists here, and people can come up from here, from the stairs, and then they can stand here and then look a panoramic view of the lovers point from here. We can see the stream from here, how it's going. So that brings me to the end of the penultimate part 4 of the 5-part series. Thanks a lot for sticking with me till now. See you in the last one. Thanks. Bye.